Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to turn off disappearing messages in WhatsApp groups using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is useful if you want to keep all group messages intact without them disappearing after a set time. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Make sure your phone is ready to scan the QR code for logging in. Once logged in, you'll see your chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate and click on the group where you want to disable disappearing messages. Once inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen and click on the group name. This will open the group info section, where you can manage various settings related to the group. In the group info section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Disappearing Messages. Click on it to proceed. A new window will pop up showing the current setting for disappearing messages in that group. Now, select the option Off to disable disappearing messages. This ensures that all future messages in this group will remain visible and won't disappear after a certain period. If prompted with a confirmation message, click Continue to finalize your choice. And that's it. You've successfully turned off disappearing messages in your WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web. From now on, all messages sent in this group will stay unless manually deleted by users. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next guide.